The data memory organization of 8051 microcontroller, that is RAM structure of 8051 microcontroller. Microcontroller can access the internal random access memory or external 64 kilobytes of memory. Actually, in the first generation 8051 has 128 bytes of internal RAM, but now in modern version of 8051 has 256 bytes of RAM. So this internal RAM is accessed by 8-bit address line. So by using this 8-bit address line, you can address this 256 bytes of internal random access memory. Okay. So how it is organized? Out of this 256, the lower 128 bytes are divided into 3 parts. First part is 32 bytes, which is used for register bank. So there is 4 register bank in this range 00 to 1F. Next one is 16 byte, which is a bit addressable area. So in this 16 bytes, each bit are bit addressable. Next one is 80 bytes, that is a general purpose RAM scratch pad, which is used for temporary storage. So 32, 16, 80, so totally 128 bytes. So the lower 128 bytes are divided like this. First part is register bank, second one is bit addressable area, and third one is general purpose RAM scratch pad. This is the internal structure of lower 128 bytes of random access memory. First 32 bits are register bank, that is from 00 to 1F. There is 4 register bank 0, 1, 2, 3. Next one is 16 bytes of bit addressable area, that is from 20 to 2F. After that, there is a general purpose scratch pad, that is from 30 to 7F. So this is the structure of lower 128 bytes of random access memory. Each register bank has 8 registers, that is, this is the structure of register bank. Register bank 0, that is from 00 to 07. So there is 8 registers R0 to R7. Register bank 1 is from 08 to 0F, 08 to 0F, there is 8 registers. Bank 2, 10 to 1F, 10 to 1F, that is 8 register. Register bank 3, 18 to 1F, that is 18 to 1F, and there is also 8 register. So each register bank has 8 registers, that is R0 to R7. And the default register bank is bank 0. So if we want to access R6 of bank 2, how can we switch the register bank from the default bank 0 to bank 2? That will be decided by the program status word, 2 bits of program status word. So program status word is a 8-bit register, and third and fourth bit of program status word decide which register bank is being used, that is RS0, RS1. So RS0, RS1, if both values are 0, then the selected register bank is 0. If 0, 1, then the bank is 1. 1, 0, register bank 2 is selected. 1, 1, register bank 3 is selected. And this is the address of that register bank 00 to 07, and register bank 1, 08 to 0F, register bank 2, 10 to 1F, register bank 3, 18 to 1F. So to decide or to select the register bank, we have to use this third and fourth bit of program status word. So next one is a bit addressable RAM. Let's see that. This is the bit addressable area, that is from 20 to 2F. There is 16, totally 16 bytes. There is a 16 bytes, and each are bit addressable. So 16 bytes. So total bits are 16 into 8, that is 128. So totally there is 128 bit addressable area. So this range can be specified as a byte or a bit. If you are using byte, then you have to specify the address 20 to 2F. If you are use this as a bit addressable area, then you can use the address from 00 to 7F. So for byte address, this is from 20 to 2F. For bit addressable, you can use 00 to 7F. For example, if you are using the bit address 3C, here also I am taking 3C, then it is the fourth bit of byte address 27. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth bit of byte address 27. So this is the bit addressable area of RAM. So this is the structure of lower 128 bytes and the upper 128 bytes, that is 802FF. This area is overlapped with SFR. SFR is special function register. So this upper 128 byte is overlapped with special function register. So this one is internal RAM structure, and this 8051 can access the external 64 kilobytes of data memory. So 8051 can access 64 kilobytes of external RAM. The range is from 0000 to FFFF, and there is 256 bytes of internal RAM. The lower 128 bytes are organized as three parts. First one is register bank, second one is bit addressable area, and third one is general purpose scratch pad. And the upper 128 bytes are overlapped with SFR, that is special function register.